This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Stephanie Jarvis Caskell. This lakeside retreat is nestled in sought-after Sylvan Lake, featuring a spacious open floor plan. You are immediately welcomed into this home west/lakefront views from the living room, which also features hardwood floors and vaulted ceilings. The kitchen boasts wood accent walls west/and eat-in/dining space, plus a reading nook and a cozy gas fireplace. Off the kitchen, a tiled sunroom has double-paned windows providing passive solar heat to this well-designed home. The first floor primary bedroom suite has a walk-in closet plus cedar closet and picturesque lake views with its own walkout. A convenient second bedroom is nearby. Upstairs, two more bedrooms are complemented by a versatile loft west/a built-in desk and bookshelf. The expansive deck runs along the entire back of the house west/a retractable awning. You can even take a swim in the tranquility of this lakefront location. With a two-car garage and beautiful flowering trees and low-maintenance landscaping, this home has it all. For more information, review the details below.